Hey there, folks. All right, just a super quick box opening. Another prize draw that I won. And no, it's not cigars this time, but it is from the Cigar Dudes podcast. So they do multiple draws, and then this time, let's see what I won. Hey, all right. Oh, great, peanuts. We all love peanuts. Ugh. All right. Get rid of that. All right. So what we got here is from the Beard Apothecary. And what did I win? Well, let's see what we got from the Beard Apothecary. Oh, packed nice. Oh, heavy duty. All right, so we got some beard butter. Can't see my beard. But yeah, and this one is called, this is a new release. It's called the Bearded Swifty. Someone had made a comment in one of the chats, and somehow that came up. But yeah, so this is from the Beard Apothecary. Now, and one of the other prize draws, I won one of their candles. Smells really good, actually. So this one here, so I'll give it a try, and I'll let you know how it is. My beard is really not that long. It's more of a scruff right now, but it's getting there. All right, that says butter melting disclaimer. Due to the hot weather and low melting point of the butters used, it's possible that your beard butter could arrive melted or separated. Please be careful when initially opening the container. If the beard butter has melted, refrigerate it until it solidifies. This will change the texture but will not affect how the butter performs. This is actually it's a pretty nice packing thing here. So, all right, I guess that was just a quick unboxing, won this on Cigar Dudes podcast, and this came from the Beard Apothecary. All right, folks, remember, until next time, be kind.